Okay, dig it again. These are random spots on the back side of the cellar hole.
Yeah, the downhill side
Side
of it.
of the
I mean, my thought process would be that they could potentially have gotten their water at times out of the brook and have to walk between the two.
Well, fish. Little rainbow trout. Probably not way up here. I'm being hopeful. Oh, for a minute there, that looked like one of those crotobells. Ooh, sorry.
That's
right
the other
there.
piece of the another piece of the
A
pocket
knife. This is a different hole though, right?
Yeah, the other one was
Down there. Oh yeah.
wicked flimsy.
Wow. Look at that. That's cool.
Pretty neat
Yeah.
to find it 10 feet apart.